Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common OBDI code, P0132. If you've scanned your car and got this code, it means there's an issue with the oxygen sensor, specifically bank 1, sensor 1, and it's reporting higher than normal voltage. Stick around, and I'll show you how to diagnose and fix it. Your vehicle has multiple oxygen sensors that monitor the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gas. This helps the engine control the air-fuel ratio. Bank 1, sensor 1 refers to the upstream O2 sensor on the side of the engine where cylinder number 1 is located. The P0132 code indicates that the voltage output of this sensor is too high. Check engine light. Poor fuel economy, rough idling or misfiring, hesitation when accelerating, strong exhaust smell. OBDI scanner, multimeter optional, oxygen sensor socket wrench, ratchet and extension, replacement O2 sensor if necessary, safety gloves and glasses. First, let's scan for codes. Connect your OBDI scanner to the port under the dashboard and check for any additional codes alongside P0132. First, disconnect the battery for safety. Then, locate and remove the fuel rail by unscrewing the bolts holding it in place. Once the fuel rail is off, gently pull out the fuel injectors. Be sure not to damage the O-rings. Now that the injectors are out, dip them into gasoline to clean off any residue or buildup. Let them soak for a few minutes, then wipe them down. If you're installing new injectors, make sure to lubricate the O-rings with a bit of oil. Slide the new injectors into the fuel rail, making sure they're properly seated. Reattach the fuel rail, tighten the bolts, and reconnect the electrical connectors. Double-check everything is secure. Now that we've ruled out wiring, let's go ahead and replace the oxygen sensor. Start by spraying some penetrating oil to help loosen the sensor if it's rusted in place. Using the oxygen sensor socket, carefully remove the old sensor. Once the old sensor is out, grab the new one and thread it in by hand before tightening it with the socket. Once the sensor is replaced, use your OBDI scanner to clear the P0132 code. Start the car and make sure the check engine light stays off. And there you have it. That's how you diagnose and fix a P0132 code. Replacing an oxygen sensor is a straightforward job you can do at home with the right tools, saving you a trip to the mechanic. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car repair tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.